Today I'll be doing a video on how I protect my hair at night and how I style it for the next day. I'm getting ready for school, so let's get with it. So I'll wear a bonnet at night and I section my hair into 4 sections. Nothing too fancy. It probably parted, but I'm not really sure. So then I take each section down. And another section, and another. So you see all 4 sections are here. I use my famous all-time Maleeha oil, just to put a little bit of oil on it. I do it every day. Put it in my hand. And then I rub a little bit on each, just to, I guess, loosen up the ponytails so that it won't have the stiff look. So today I'll be having the part down the middle and I'll have the fro in the back. So I'm just going to connect these sections so they won't show the permanent part that I seem to keep getting. Okay, so, you know, we're almost there. So now I'll take my rat tail comb and kind of do just like a triangular part here, just to get some flap. And I'll take this and I'll wrap it here. Use my little handy dandy clips and I'll pin it back. And it looks like so on this side. And I do the same thing to the other side. Pin it under like so. Bam! Let me see if I have another. Just a regular. Just to kind of get the look in the back that I was going for, that it can't seem to stay. I'm just kind of pin it down here, just to give the full round look. And this is it. I love it. Sometimes I have to pin it again back here. Yeah, see here? I have to pin it again. But this time I bring it lower so that it's behind my ear. And then bam. Choop choop. I love it. You guys let me know in the comment section, any comments, any questions, any suggestions, any more hairstyles you'd like me to try. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.